So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to check your battery cycle and capacity or health in your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro and 15 Plus also. For that, you need to go your setting and then go down and find the battery. You have to press on battery and then battery health and charger. Then you can see the maximum capacity in 100% and charging optimized 80% limit. You can also change it like none or optimized battery charging. So this is how you can easily check your battery health and battery capacity. But if you want to check your battery cycle, then you need to go back down again and you have to press on general, and all you need to press on about and then go down, and this is the cycle count 8. So this is how you can easily check your battery cycle, battery capacity, battery health, and any kind of battery information on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max and Plus also. So hope video helpful. Please do subscribe and a thumbs up if it helpful. Have a good day. Thank you.